Hi, good morning and good afternoon, ma'am. I am Russell Sevilla, 35 of age, came from Philippines. I have two kids. My youngest son is 10 years old, and also my eldest daughter is 15 years old. I am a graduate in Asian College of Science and Technology as a nurse and caregiver. My working experience are to take care of elderly, bedridden, and also take care of patient in hospitality in any world. And I know how to maintenance in basic maintenance in house. I know how to gardening, and my duties and responsibility are to take vital sign, monitoring fluids, uh, change polycatheter, and feeding in NGT, and how to take about the patient and transfer the bed bed to bed and bed to wheelchair, and then I know how to take care bed sore patient. uh, I am a hardworking person, trusty work lovable. I am a fast learner. My future employer, I will do my best and I promise to finish my contract. Hope to consider my application and have a good day and ma'am and sir.